Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, open Instagram and click on right corner message and select your account and click on name account and click on privacy and safety and turn on Vanish mode. Alright, and back, and Vanish mode open. And right and send. And scroll down and close Vanish mode, or scroll down and open Vanish mode. Alright, and that's all.